Hi guys, got a job lot of JCP anchor fixings. These are the sleeve anchors. Those are 12mm B85, and the through bolt ones are 12mm by 100. They're all loose. There's approximately 770 of the sleeve anchor ones, and then the through bolts, there's over 1,000 pieces of those. Price on the internet is about 45p each for that style, so there's, work the maths out there, and then there's about 700 ones of those are about £1 a piece. Need a job lot offer for them all if somebody uses them. Save yourself a fortune. Give us a call, 07861 486 831. Steve at Tool Folks. Cheers.